unbelievably dumb conflicts on the road. The best examples of what you should not do on the road. Enjoy the show. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video. It's not clear where the conflict started, but things escalated at the intersection when the driver of the black Honda started honking at the car in front, and his passenger got out and started loudly arguing. At the end, the driver of the black Civic cut off a car coming from the right and drove off screaming. Notice the white Volvo on the right, which is already tailgating one car, then moves into the left lane and starts doing the same thing to the pickup truck. Louisville, Kentucky. White car was being aggressive tailgating and got brake checked. But he made a mistake and the driver of the pickup truck was not afraid and did not give way to the Volvo. The U-Haul driver didn't give a damn about anyone and decided to move across 3 lanes without looking in his mirror.
Fucking idiot.
Not sure what the issue was. Signal? Check. Clearance? Check. Brake checked? Check. Attempted to run me off the road? Check. Maintained the left lane towards the end because the white Charger was on my right rear quarter keeping pace. The driver of the Nissan failed to make a lane change, but that's somehow the author's fault. Read 2, author's comments, after getting cut off, slowed down, a poor effort at brake checking, and flipped off by a driver, I went back and reviewed the video. Evidently, this driver forgot how to merge and blamed me for their bad driving. I bet this maneuver wasn't expected by either of you or the author of the video. All eyes on the Dodge Ram in front. Fortunately, the Dodge didn't hit the author's car. Mad because they can't use an indicator, so they brake check an 8,300-pound vehicle. Smart. Not sure what his problem was other than being alive. When he stuck his arm out, I started laughing at him. He then took off after there was room cutting in front of the van that was in front of him. Unfortunately, I did not get that part because the Tesla camera only saved the part when the car activated emergency braking.
Oh my God!
literally pushed me onto the shoulder because he had a big German Shepherd in the passenger seat blocking the side view mirror. As I passed him, he made an apologetic wave. What's in the school bus driver's head remains a mystery.
Really?
The Nissan driver was very angry first with the author, then with the white sedan in front, so he jumped from row to row in order to win some seconds. The white sedan didn't like that, so it decided to take back the position. Comments from the author. These are all most likely good people who are having a bad day. Remember that road rage never pays in the end. On the intersection of Avery and 5th, after I let two cars pass, he passes the red light and then comes in front of me and waves and then shows the middle finger. And some other very bad behavior. People like this should not be on the road. If you know who this person is, please let me know. Anyway, I reported him to the CHP. The Jeep Wrangler is in a hurry to get somewhere, so he tailgated the Volkswagen for 5 minutes. What have changed if the Volkswagen had let him through this is unclear. And the Jeep's final maneuver deserves an award.
Laki ng problema. HYB 133. Puta. Gago. HYB 133. Gago.
I was slowing down because the road was slippery, and I wanted to change lanes to go right because this idiot was following me very closely. When I changed lanes, he passed me on the right and then threw an object from his window at my vehicle. I heard a big bang. He then shouted insults at me and then came to brake in front of me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.